Today's story name is The Power of a Focused Mind. Let's begin. In a quiet village, there lived a boy named Aarav. He was bright, hardworking, and full of big dreams. However, he had one major struggle: his mind was never still. No matter what he was doing, his thoughts would wander into unnecessary worries, daydreams, or past regrets. His parents and teachers often told him to focus, but no matter how hard he tried, his mind always drifted away. During his school exams, Aarav faced one of the most difficult moments of his life. As he looked at the question paper, his mind went blank. He had studied well, yet he couldn't concentrate. Instead of answering the questions, he wasted time lost in unrelated thoughts. When the results came out, he had failed in 2 subjects. His teachers were disappointed, his friends felt bad for him, and his parents grew deeply concerned. That night, Aarav sat alone in his room, feeling hopeless. He knew he had the potential to succeed, but he felt like a prisoner to his own thoughts. That evening, his grandfather, an elderly man full of wisdom, noticed Aarav sitting quietly and asked, "What's wrong, my child?" With tears in his eyes, Aarav replied, "Grandpa, no matter how much I try, my mind keeps running in different directions. I want to focus, but unnecessary thoughts distract me." His grandfather smiled and said, "Come with me. I want to show you something." He led Aarav to the backyard, where there was an empty pot. Handing him a cup of muddy water, he said, "Pour this into the pot." Aarav obeyed. Then, his grandfather gave him a jug of clean water and instructed, "Now, keep pouring this until the dirty water is gone." Aarav continued pouring fresh water, watching as the muddy water overflowed and was replaced with clear water. His grandfather then said, "Your mind is like this pot. If you constantly fill it with useless thoughts, it will become polluted. But if you pour in meaningful, positive thoughts, the wasteful ones will be pushed out." Moral of the story: a focused mind leads to success. Just like a pot filled with clean water pushes out the dirt, filling our minds with positive and meaningful thoughts removes distractions and negativity. Discipline, mindfulness, and the right mindset help us overcome challenges and reach our true potential.
Wander, bhatakna, regret, pachtawa, disappointed, nirash, concerned, chintit, sympathy, sahanubhuti, realization, ehsaas, transformation, parivartan, lesson, पाठ या सीख, overflows, बह निकलना, drifted, बहक जाना या बह जाना.